Today I'm going to be showing you how to calculate markup. So, we are buying a $25,000 car. The dealer puts a $5,000 markup on it. What is the percent markup for this car? Well, we can set this up as a proportion. So we're going to do markup M over original equals percent over 100. So here is going to be $5,000 markup over $25,000 car is equal to X for percent, because I'm trying to find that, over 100. So first I'm going to cross multiply. So I'm going to get 500,000 is equal to 25,000 X. Now, it's just a one-step equation. I divide the entire thing by 25,000, and I would get 20% is equal to X. So that car had a 25% markup on it. If we take a look at the second problem, it's a different setup. If Don is selling an engine for $4,000 and puts a 40% markup on it, how much would the markup be? Okay, well, we could set up our proportion. We need to figure out how much that markup is going to be. So I'm going to put an X there, and then I'm going to put the original price of the engine, which is $4,000, is equal to a 40% markup over 100. Then I'm going to cross multiply. I get 100x is equal to 160. So then I'm going to divide both sides by 100, and I would get x is equal to, oh, no, not that, just an erase, please. So the markup of that engine is going to be $1,600. If you have questions, please feel free to contact your teacher.